Lane, my pronouns are they, them, and I am back today for a lot of unboxings. 42Lolita sent me some wintry Lolita stuff, and I am so excited for it right now because it is fall currently when I'm filming this. The leaves are changing, it is getting colder, it is getting very cold, it's already snowed multiple times, and I need some winter jackets. That's like the one thing my Lolita closet is very short on. I have like one wintry Lolita jacket, but it's like yellow and doesn't match anything, although I love it. Let's hop on into it. 42Lolita, if you do not know, is a reseller website brought to you by 42 Agent, the shopping service. I have a discount code I_forgot_reality that can give you a little bit of a discount. But 42Lolita is super awesome in comparison to other resellers. Their markups are not that high. It's a super easy to use website. Their customer service is literally the nicest people I have ever met in my entire life. Like, please believe me when I say that they're the most accommodating, empathetic, wonderful people I've ever worked with. Oh, and they also have this awesome thing called Buy For Me, where if you see a picture on Taobao or something and you don't know how to use a shopping service and you want to buy it through a reseller, you can just send them those pictures and they'll find it for you and add it to the 42Lolita.com website. I shipped these bad boys to my parents' house, so I have no idea how long it took for them to actually get there. There is still a package thief on the loose at my apartment building. I can't really give you guys an accurate estimate on when they arrived because my parents did not tell me right away. And also, I think they said one package arrived before the other. So I had no idea these were gonna come in two separate packages. Let's get right to it. I also don't remember what I ordered, so this is all gonna be a very fun surprise for both of us because I ordered a dress? What the heck is this? Okay, sorry, I have such a bad memory. I'm like, I don't even remember it. Is this a salopette? Did I get a salopette? This is like interesting packaging for it too. It's not in like a bag, it's in like a hanger thing. Like there's a hole on top so you can like hang it up. Is this a bunny tail? Let's take it out. Haha. Oh my god, it is a salopette. Which way is the front? This is so adorable. So the straps on this are adjustable, which, oh, and it's lined too. It's lined with, oh my god, that's soft. A really soft white fabric. And these straps are so easy to adjust. Thankfully, I feel like straps like this can give me such a hard time. These are super, super easy. Probably because they're so ginormous and it's like a very soft fabric. On the bodice, we have three little bows. We have this little scalloped kind of collar here. And then we have two different types of lace and these really cute heart buttons that lead us down to this little bow on the waist. All of this fabric is so soft. And the print too is like really crispy. It has just like the cutest bunnies on it. It has like a fake scallop edge where it's not scalloped, but the print kind of makes it look like it is. And then it has lace with some hearts on it. Underneath we do have a little bit of organza, so it'll give it some poof on its own without a petticoat. There is an invisible zip on the side. And the back of it too has this like really cute bow and these two lines of lace. Which normally when you see lace like this, yeah, you can lace this up kind of like a corset if you want with some thin ribbon, which maybe that's what this ribbon is for. I'll have to look at pictures and see if that's the case. This one is by 42Lolita. It's called Rabbit Berry Gift Box, Sweet Lolita Salopette and Dress Set. And I got the single dress. So it is $59.99 and it has 1 5-star review. Okay, so the salopette is our first one. I think this is the only main piece. I think everything else in here is in fact a coat. This one is ginormous and burgundy and I think this is a winter coat. There we go. This one, I see a sticker. It is a size large. Even the bag came somewhat unzipped in the mail. That's how giant this is. This is such a pretty color. It's not folded the nicest. You can kind of see it kind of looks like someone just in there. It looks beautiful on camera though. It looks like a really rich red. Oh, okay, we got one waist tie. This is literally so soft. Oh my god, is this lined? It's lined with Minky! Guys, this is so freaking soft. This is like my favorite fabric. It's like the minky blanket fabric, like the baby blanket fabric, that the one that's like really soft, and it is like the bodice is fully lined in it. First of all, huge credit to this brand because minky fabric is horrible to work with. It sheds like crazy when you cut it and when you sew with it. Oh my god, it's so soft. I'm so excited right now. Are the sleeves? Oh, the sleeves are just normal lined. Oh my god, the collar has these two little thingies on it, which is so cute. And it has like a Peter Pan collar plus these guys, and then a double row of buttons with some lace. Well, lace that is serged. It's like a ruffle. It's a ruffle of the same coat material. It has two pockets in the front that are on slight like slants, like they're not straight up. And they have these cute bows on top, which I'm definitely going to attach squishmallows to because look at that. I can get my hand in them. And then the sleeves, I hope these sleeves are long enough, but they are so cute. No, the sleeves are too short. They're like, you can see. I could tell right away they'd be too short. I want to live in this. Actually, there's like enough room in the armpits for me and across the bust, which is like my big sensory thing. It's just the freaking sleeves, which are like, I'd say like 3 or 4 inches too short looking at it. Oh my god, this one is only $49.99, so it's cheaper than the Salopet. And this is way heftier fabric. It's lined with like minky. It's lined in the sleeves. It has pockets. Oh my god, it is so cute, but it only comes in small and large, but it does come in gray, I don't know what generate color is, pink and red wine, but $49.99, and it is by the brand 3 Puppets, and it's called Miss Rabbit Doll Color Kawaii Lolita Winter Coat, which makes sense. These are supposed to be little bunny ears over here. We have an additional package over here, which has 2 more winter coats in it. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's do the white one first because it's on top. This one is only $22.99, and just from the top of it, it has so many details. This is gonna be awesome to open. I'm excited. This one is also a size large, and it comes with some accessories. Oh, okay. It comes with a little brooch to go on this side and then a little bow to go under the collar. Oh my god, this is so soft. It's a little bear heart, which is adorable. There's one bow with a little like brooch clip on the back, and then this guy is like an adjustable neck collar tie, and it's all elastic with then a little adjustable thing. This is so cute. It's a much shorter coat because, you know, with Lolita you have the poof. So this one is only, you know, half of this red one that I'm currently wearing. But oh my god, this is so cute. Look at these pin tucks up the front, and the lace and the buttons are all of these like fake pearl hearts. They're like pearl and gold, and they're so cute. I love pearls. And the Peter Pan collar. This is so adorable. Oh my god, and the sleeves have a little button too, which is nice because then you can roll them up. These do not. You can't roll these up. Oh, and it's lined. It is not lined with minky, unfortunately. It has a very rather thin lining. It's not as soft as the current one that I'm wearing. And I don't see any pockets on this guy. He's definitely a little thinner, but for $29.99, I think that is kind of expected. Someone play me fashion show music, please. Ooh, those are nice sleeves. Those are like billowing big sleeves. I like that. The sleeves, again, are a little too short, but they're so billowing. Like look at that. They're nice. I don't know if I could do these buttons by myself though, because they're like heart-shaped and a little weird. This is, again, like a size large, and it fits really nice across the bust. Like, I don't feel like my armpits or it's too tight here. So for someone with like sensory issues with long sleeves, this is really nice. Okay, this one is called Designer's Gift Christmas, New Year, Winter Lolita JSK coat set. I did not get the JSK, I just got the coat, obviously. And I know that says like Christmas in the listing, but this is good all year round. This is so cute. And now for our last coat of the day. It is this massive pink coat, like this dusty pink coat, also in a size large. I think this one I tried to order in an XL, so the sleeves would actually fit and they ran out. So we have an L, unfortunately, but let's hope that it fits well. So it has this big bow right on top, which is detachable, and this is so soft. The Peter Pan collar has some serged ruffles on it, and then it has 2 little buttons for every kind of closure. It's so pretty. The pockets are huge. The pockets are way bigger than the red coat, and they have ruffles all around them. These are nice big pockets. And the sleeve also has some ruffles on it. The back has a giant bow. Oh my god, the underside of the collar is lined too. Nice. It has a very cute bow on the back, and it comes with 1 extra button. Oh, it's a snap. Oh, all of these are snaps. Wait, this is so much easier than buttons. The lining on this is all this soft pink fabric, and it's a little bit thin for lining, but it is really, really soft. Ooh, these fit so much better in the sleeves. Look at that. This one's probably only 2 inches, so if I had normal sized arms, it'd fit. But again, like, I actually have room in my bust and under the arms. Like, it doesn't feel super constraining, which is my big sensory thing with coats, and it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. This might be my daily coat now for work. Okay, this one is more expensive. This one is $75.99, and it is by Alice Girl, which explains the quality. We love Alice Girl here. It does go up to an XL, but it looks like the XL is sold out, unfortunately. But it's called Alice Girl, and the name is Long Wool Lolita Winter Coat, and it is so cute. It comes in a bunch of different colors too. There's like 4 different colors: cream, green, pink, and beige. As someone 5'5", I think the large fits great, minus the short sleeves. Okay, well that was the last thing that I have today to show you, just these 3 coats and the Salopet. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite thing was. So a huge thank you to 42Lolita for sending me these wonderful Lolita winter coats and this awesome Salopet. Be sure to see them styled on my TikTok and my Instagram. And again, my discount code for 42Lolita is I_forgot_reality. I don't know when I'll see you guys again because I'm severely depressed. I'll see you guys in my next video, and goodbye.